guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. I am Ritu and welcome to my channel ArtTube. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Shivji and Parvati Ma using acrylic color, and this is going to be an abstract form, so it's going to be very easy. So without further ado, let's get started.
I have already made my composition with a pencil, and here I am mixing cobalt blue and white color and applying it on the face of Shivji. Here I am mixing white color to get lighter shade and applying it on the forehead and on the bridge of the nose. And now I am using darker shade to add shadows and details. And with lighter shade I am giving shape to his eye and nose. Now I am using white color for the highlights and tika. I am taking crimson and mixing it with blue color and applying it on his upper lip, and lower lip के लिए मैंने use किया है lighter shade. Now I am mixing brown and black color and painting his hair. And also adding some details and outlines. यहाँ पे white color में थोड़ा crimson and brown color mix कर रही हूँ and applying it on the face of Parvati Ma. And similarly lighter shade apply कर रही हूँ forehead के लिए and nose bridge के लिए. And with darker shade I am adding shadows and some details. अब white color से highlights add कर रही हूँ and with black color I am adding details and outlines. And I am also painting her hair with the same black color. Now I am applying pink color on her chunri. By mixing blue and pink, I am making darker shade and applying it on this part of the chunri. And with purple color I am adding shadows, as you can see. With the mixture of white and pink color, I am painting this lotus and black color से outlines बना रही हूँ and adding highlights with white color. For stems, I am using green color and using black color for the outlines and lemon yellow color for the highlights. Now I am mixing orange and yellow color and applying it on the ornaments. And with brown color I am adding shadows and details, as you can see. And now with the mixture of white and yellow color I am giving highlights and adding some small details like this. एंड सेम कलर से चुनरी का बॉर्डर भी बना ले रही हूँ। एंड नोज रिंग में भी डिटेल्स एंड हाइलाइट्स ऐड कर रही हूँ टू कंप्लीट द लुक। Now with the mixture of brown and orange color, I am applying it on the Rudraksh, and with the mixture of white and yellow, I am painting this moon and darker shades से shadows add कर रही हूँ। With black color, I am giving details here, and with the mixture of white and yellow color, I am giving highlights. Now I am applying yellow ochre on the Trishul. And with brown color I am painting the damru and adding shadows and details like this. अब वाइट एंड येलो कलर के मिक्सचर से हाइलाइट्स ऐड कर रही हूँ एंड डमरू में भी कुछ डिटेल्स दे रही हूँ। एंड here I am using orange color. For the snake, I am using green color and inner part के लिए I am using yellow ochre. And with orange color, I am adding some details as you can see. अब white color से highlights दे रही and with black color, I am adding shadows and some details. For the background, I am using purple color and applying it randomly like this. Now I am applying ultramarine blue, and for the contrast, I am using orange and yellow color. And with darker shade, थोड़ा shadows add कर रही हूँ around the Trishul and other elements. And white color से गंगा जी बना रही हूँ. And to complete the look of the universe, I am making stars by adding lots of small white dots.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then like, subscribe and share. Video कैसा लगा? Do let me know in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.